Imagine the scene. I was about 4 hours away from home. It was night time. I wasn't coming home for a day or two. I was working up north. And this message came up on my Dacia screen here. And I started to get a bit worried because I'd left my spare key at home, perhaps foolishly, I thought. And I thought, oh, no, the car's going to stop working, and the battery's low in my key card, and where do I get the battery from? What sort of battery was it? When was this going to run out? Well, I can tell you, folks, if you've got this same message, my experience was that I had a quick look online, and I found other people with the same problem, and they'd gone a few weeks with this problem. So I kind of relaxed a little bit, and I allowed myself a couple of days to get home. And then I started researching what to do when you get this message. And it is remarkably easy to overcome. And actually, Dacia or Renault, same kind of parent company, have come up with a rather cunning way of helping you if the battery does get low, and I'll show you how to do that on this simple video, because I need things simple when it comes to cars and engines. If it's about plants, I can go a bit more in depth, but simple is what I need for anything remotely technical. Okay, let's have a look. Right, here we are then. Here's our little key card, whatever you call it, and it's quite easy to replace the battery, and there's a little secret inside here as well, which I think will help you in case the worst ever happens. So you just kind of slide this piece off the top here. So there's the little secret, which I discovered. There's a spare key in there, like an emergency key, which if you look underneath on my Dacia, underneath the door handle, there it is. There's a little slot. You can use this key to get in there. So if the battery does run out and you're locked out of your car, you're not actually locked out. You've got that key there. And once you're in this this unit, put it back together and put it on the kind of your usual place. There's a little kind of key point. For me, it's not far from the gear stick there on the Dacia. Your ignition will work. The piece of equipment in here which fires up the ignition doesn't require the battery. So the battery, if it does go, and the battery is just in here, is only for getting you into the door, through the door into the car. There's enough power within this to actually anyway to get the ignition fired up. So if you do run out of juice in your battery, don't worry, spare key, ignition, sorted. However, we do need to get this battery changed, so we just need to lift this here. Let's have a little look. Right, there we are. I have to change my glasses. You may not need to, but just so I could see what I was doing, I had to quickly change my glasses. And it's quite difficult to do this one-handed whilst I'm filming, but basically you can put a screwdriver or your fingernail underneath that corner and lift that cover off. And there's the offending item. Okay, so there's that old battery. So we can slide him out. And I happen to have a couple of spare batteries. So I'm going to put this one in with the plus facing up. And basically, we're back up and running. We can put the cover on, and we can put that cover on as well. We'll be sorted. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put those spare ones in the car. I'm going to hide them away in the glove compartment or something, so that, again, if I'm on the road and I need to replace batteries, I've got them there. But it's peace of mind, and I take my hat off. Well done to Renault and Dacia, who've kind of designed this in a way that if the worst ever does happen and you're caught with a low battery that runs out and you haven't got a spare battery, you can still get in and out of the car and you can still fire up the ignition. Hope that helps, hope that makes sense. We'd love to hear from you. if you've had similar challenges or successes. This is like one big happy family here on YouTube. We can all ask questions, and if I can't answer it, and to be honest, if it's to do with cars, it's unlikely that I will be able to answer it. But if it's to do with plants, myself and my friends can generally come up with a range of answers. Let's talk about it. Let's have some fun. Stay in touch. Thanks for watching. Bye.